How to fix couldn't load image tab to retry error on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. Open Instagram, click on your profile at the bottom right, then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then you'll find settings and activity pop-up. Click on search bar at the top and search download information. Click on download your information. It will lead you to this page. Click on download or transfer information at the top. Click on some of your information, which is the second option. In here, scroll down and then make sure tick mark is in messages and media. Press on next at the bottom. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on download to device. Then create files. After you have created the files, you will be notified on your Gmail. Simply open the Gmail and download the file and you'll be able to see the message that couldn't load. And this is how to fix couldn't load image. Tap to retry error on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.